Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Chito Victorero, and best player of the game, Rick Ratliff. Coach Chito, I'll start with you. It took 5 extra minutes, but you finally pull off a win. Ang dami niyong pinagdaanan so far this conference. Kanina si Paul na injure, and then si Mark at saka si Calvin ngayon. Can you touch on the collective effort it took for your team to finally turn things around and ultimately executing down the stretch tonight?
Yeah, it's a character game for us. And first of all, thank you to God Almighty for this W. And also thank you to the players because they give the best effort. They execute well down the stretch. We're down by on this stage of the tournament, but we're not out. And I told them that it is in our control pa naman yung situation namin. And we want to, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, I mean, pwede kaming 5-0, pwede kaming 4-1, pwede kaming 3-2. But the situation is we're in 1-4. So this team, we experienced it before. I know the character of the players. And hopefully this is the start of our run. And yun lang. Thankful kasi this is the first time that we limit our opponent under the 100 points. Under 100 points. So that's a testament of our defense. But on the last 5 games, we allowed our opponent to score 100+ points. That's why we have a hard time to win.
Thank you, Coach. Rick, you guys have been facing adversity throughout the conference, and you guys finally snap your 4-game losing streak tonight. How did you approach this game coming in, especially after those tough losses?
Like Coach said, we didn't really have a choice. We got to have like a playoff mindset, like a win or go home mindset, because we dug ourselves in a pretty deep hole. So it's only up from here. Like Coach said, hopefully tonight we can use this momentum and get a winning streak going. Got some confidence because we beat a very good team tonight. So we just got to use that and try to get some momentum and try to get a winning streak going.